You ever seen a pocket hole jig? I was going to buy one. I don't think I'd buy this one. It's well made and it's great for 20mm timber. But it claims to do 20 to 45mm wide timber, provided you want the pocket hole 20mm in. Okay, if I was going to buy one, I'd buy a Craig and be done with it. And it's a really nice, well-engineered piece of kit. So with a pocket hole, you have a pocket hole drill. You can see that? It's a step drill. There's a pilot on the end and then a drill that goes out. Pop that in the machine. See the pockets?
Pass that around.
Yeah. Well, okay, I'll pass it around. You never look at it. And this is what we're going to make. We're going to make one of those. It's not precise, it doesn't, you don't have to line up precise because the pocket holes only go into the holes. What I'm doing now, I'm going to put the pockets in to hold it onto the top. That goes into the legs. So I need to cut that one there. Once again, it doesn't have to be precise. It's okay. If nothing else, it's quick. Just going to quickly just I like to take those lens off because they come through and they can sometimes hold the joint apart. You glue these as well. So now we're going to put some screws in these, and they come with a little special. These are number 7s. That's the undercarriage. And we put the top on, and it looks something like that. There you go.
All right. Safe for an elephant to sit on.